Hi everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to add deal statuses and deal categories. So, to do it, please go into the administration menu that is located on the top right corner. Afterwards, scroll down to the plugins and select the CRM. CRM and contacts plugin is the same thing, just a small note. Okay, so when you click to configure, you will see the tab deal statuses. Here you're able to edit the existing ones or add a new one. In our video demonstration we're going to add a new one. So please click on new. Afterward, let's pick a name, for example, best deal. You could also pick a color, for example, this one, so it is very visible. Okay, we set a status type to be 1 and default value will be not checked because not every deal is the best deal, right? Okay, so let's create our deal. Okay, we see that our deal status is now here. By the way, you could drag and drop it in this way. Okay, just to note that if you would like to delete the deal status, you could come here and click on delete. It's just as simple as that. Okay, so let's go into the deals section. Okay, we pick a deal, for example this one. And here is our status. Oh, we see that we do not have the best deal. Okay, so this is very important. When you add the deal status into the administration, you have to enable it into the project level. So we have entered our project. Now we have to go to the settings. And then we could go to deals. Here we see our deal statuses for this project, and we see that the best deal that we have just created is not activated by default, so we have to just come here and check it. Also, the way to add deal categories is on a project level, so we have to come here to the project settings and add a new category or edit or delete the existing ones. So let's go back to our deals. We pick, for example, this one and edit it. Okay. And now we see that there is a best deal. So this is just as simple as that. We have a deal that is the best deal. Here it is. Here is our deal. This is the best deal of all. We say we have some lost deals, etc. However, the best deal is here. So, thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.